Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off auto sign in to websites with Google Password Manager on the Samsung phones. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we go down and tap on privacy. Next, you go down and tap on autofill service from Google. Then tap on passwords. Next, tap on auto sign in. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it back on. Now, set it automatically sign into website using stored credentials. If disabled, you will be asked for confirmation every time before signing into a website. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto sign in using Google Password Manager. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.